Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting a USB Wi-Fi module, a USB male or breakout, a compact case, and a small SMA antenna. These are non-negotiable. Once you have parts, make sure drivers for your module are available for your OS so you won't stall later. Prepare tools: a fine soldering iron, flux, thin solder, multimeter, and heat shrink tubing. While you set up a clean, well-lit workspace, briefly inspect the module pins so you know which pads are V-bus, D+, D, and G and D before you touch the iron. You now solder carefully. Tin the module pads and the USB breakout pads, then connect V-bus to 5V, D+ to D+, D to D, and G and D to ground. Once done, make sure to route the antenna lead to the SMA jack. Solder and secure the SMA connector so it won't flex. Use a multimeter to check continuity and absence of shorts between power and data lines. After verifying, add mechanical support with hot glue or epoxy, and fit everything into the USB enclosure with strain relief. You finish by plugging the completed dongle into your computer and installing the appropriate driver or firmware. Once connected, confirm the device enumerates and an interface appears. If you see errors, use System Logs or Device Manager to identify missing firmware blobs or driver conflicts and reflash or install packages as needed. Make sure the antenna is seated and the USB cable supplies stable 5V. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing appears, recheck solder joints and power rails with your multimeter before swapping software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.